Hi everyone! So I have something else to unbox. It's two of my favorite things. It's Barbie and makeup. Look at this freaking box. It's by Glamlite. This is the Barbie Dream Summer Collection, even though I'll probably wear it all year round. You see it's got like the little dream house, little Barbie symbol. That's cute. Little palm trees. Oh, what? Oh, so you can see it's like the front and the back. What? That's pretty nifty. Okay, now we're gonna open it up and see some good stuff, hopefully. Ooh, cute. Oh, these Barbies must be sad. If you haven't seen the Barbie movie, then spoiler alert, stop watching. But if you've seen the Barbie movie, these Barbies are sad because their feet are flat. Aw. But they are super freaking cute. Look how cute. Aw. I like how they have all of them just standing there. They're just chilling. They're happy. And then look at all this. Man, that's a lot of cool shit. Look at that. Okay, so we got to figure out what we got in here. I'm going to save the palette for last because y'all know I love my palettes. So we got this little lipstick. It doesn't seem to have a name on it. It just says B. So we'll just call it yellow. We have the yellow lipstick. Or, oh, this lip gloss. Blonde, duh. This is lip gloss. I thought this was the lipstick, but oh. I'm gonna end up looking like a kindergarten art project. Ooh, that's gold. Ooh, that's a pretty gold glimmer. I like that. Oh, it's got some shimmers in it. That's pretty. And then, got the little pencil. Let's see how this goes. Oh, it's a pretty brown color. I like that. And then we've got still, I guess this is Barbie yellow lipstick. Got the lipstick right this time. Ooh, I like that one too. That's pretty. I like it, I like it. Now we're gonna look at the Barbie blue lip gloss. Ooh, this one's like copper pinky. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's got like iridescent glimmer to it. Like it looks copper, but then when you look closer, you see it's like iridescent little flecks of glitter, glimmer, shimmer, shine, whatever you want to call it. Then we got the blue little lip liner. Huh. I mean, it's still pretty, but it's very, very similar to this shade that we already have over here. Maybe a slight bit lighter. It's very similar. It's still pretty, but maybe a little unnecessary. I don't know. Like, who am I kidding? Everything's necessary. I love just playing with pretty colors and all that. Ooh. So this is kind of like the last one, but it's more mauve as opposed to, I guess, coppery ambery. That's pretty. I feel like I'm in Sephora right now. Okay, now we've got the Barbie with the pink lip gloss. All right, let's see how this goes. Ooh. And yep, that's a very, very Barbie pink lip gloss. It's got a slight amount of shimmer, but the blue one, this one has the most out of all three of them. Has the most shimmer. This one's very pinky, Very, very Barbie. And I'm assuming that the liner is as well. Let's see. A little bit. It's slightly more pink than the other two, but again, still very similar. We'll see the Barbie lipstick. Ooh, this one's got pretty. Looks pretty. Oh, it's more like a sheer shimmer. I guess that's where all the shimmer is in the pink Barbie lip stuff. So those are all the little lip kits that were part of the collection. This was the yellow, this is the blue, this is the pink, because they don't have any names on them. They just say Barbie, Glamlite. Oh wait, hold on. No, and 2022 Mattel. They also say that. And 2023. I don't know. Okay, let's see. This Body Glow Oil. Okay, oh, it's so sparkly. Let's see. Okay. I'm excited for this one because y'all know I love my glitter and shimmers and all that. Ooh. Wow. That's nice. It's very subtle. I don't think you can pick it up on camera, but it doesn't have a smell to it either, but it's very pretty and shimmery. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it if you're a glitter lady or a glitter man or glitter, whatever you identify as, you'll love it because that is just cute and sparkly and that makes my day. All right, now we got, I don't know what this thing is, but now my hands are oily. All right, let's see what we can get out of here. What is this? What is this? I'm assuming this is mascara. Yes, this is mascara. Oh no, this is eyeliner. All right, cool. Just simple black eyeliner. All right. Can never run out or have too much of that because we all know black eyeliner is definitely a staple in any makeup wearer's makeup wardrobe. Okay. Experience the summer dream with the iconic Barbie x Glamlite collaboration inspired by Barbie lifestyle and love for fashion. This 24 color eyeshadow palette is everything you need to open the doors to your dream life looks. Imagine the possibilities you can have with a palette where you can create and be anything. Okay. We'll see. We'll see if I can create and be anything with this palette. I like the little Barbies that they have on there again. They're so cute. Okay. Ooh. This is very, very colorful. It's very, very my style. Colorful, glittery, pretty. That's awesome. Okay, we've got the shades Out of Office, Chillin', How I Roll, Woohoo, Summer Dreams, Sunshine, Playday, Superstar, Dream Life, and so on and so forth. So, you see we got a lot of freaking colors here. Oh, I try. I try. Those are all the little colors, and for the sake of time, I'm not going to be swatching all of these, but maybe let me know if y'all want to see all the swatches of these. Maybe I'll do another video another time and swatch them all for you because these are very cute. And this is very, this whole set was very cost effective as well. You get the whole thing, all this, like I think it's like 80 bucks right now, but I had a coupon, so I got 20% off. So I got all this crap for 60 bucks. You can't fucking beat it. Again, you can get it on the Glamlite website. I can't wait to actually like try these out on my own face and see how it goes. But yeah. Oh, we gotta find these Barbie's owners though, so we can make them happy again, so their feet will be arched. Cause man, if you didn't see the Barbie movie, I don't know what to tell you. Go see the Barbie movie. Blah blah. Go see the Barbie movie. Bye everyone.